Hey everybody. Thought I was going to be kind of nervous, but I am looking up at my Sherman family. So it's all the ones that I love so dear here. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to come see our ring out. Everybody here has played such a role in my last 3.5 years here. It's just surreal. I feel like I've been to so many of these and cheered so many lovely people on, and I can't believe my time is coming to an end, but it was a really incredible experience. I want to thank all the professors who gave us knowledge and wisdom and love the first few years here. It really showed me what hard work meant, showed me how proud I could be of myself, how successful I could be when I'm determined to do something that I love so much. All the discipline and hard work that it took to pass these classes, it turned me into a different person. I'm so proud of that person. So thank you so much. You guys were really amazing. I'm like shaking. Okay. To Princess, Caroline, and Zoe, first off, thank you for all the hundreds of emails that I've sent you, Princess, over my time here. You guys are so amazing. You are the power horse of this entire clinic, and we would be just in chaos every day without you guys. Really is amazing. You guys are rock stars, and I really appreciate everything you guys have done. The early mornings, the transfer process, Princess. I am so in awe of you. It was so much work, and you did a great job. To my patients who made this experience so much fun, we work here to be able to serve and to be able to love our patients and care for our patients. All the hard questions that they brought me at every single visit, the ones I asked them to test me and to challenge me, thank you so much. It was 100% worth it, and I really appreciate it. To the Kappa Chi family, I love you guys. You guys are the best, most driven, passionate people. You made me a better woman. My sisters, they really inspired me every day. My brothers, they pushed us to go. They've been there with me through everything personally over these last few years. So many people that aren't here today I love so much, and it really is such an incredible experience with really amazing women. To all my friends and family back home, especially my boyfriend and I who did long distance for 2 years, I love you so much. I can't wait to come home. And my biggest thank you of all is to my parents, who were my biggest supporters. All the crying phone calls and trips home full of encouragement and love. Thank you for introducing me to the world of chiropractic, and your encouragement and understanding and belief in me have been my pillars of strength, and I couldn't have done it without you. I love you so much. And thank you to everyone again for allowing me to live my dream. This really is my purpose. This is what God put me on this earth to do. I love it so much. I'm going to go out there and serve to the best of my ability. I really am. This is my greatest dream, so thank you so much.
Man, that is hard to follow up after. So I'm going to keep it short and sweet. First and foremost, if you would have told me 5 years ago that I'd be here, finishing up my clinic requirements, about to PMOE, about to become a doctor of chiropractic, married, a wonderful doctor woman, have a beautiful little baby, I would have said, man, I need what you're smoking. All that is real. So that's so beautiful. All I can really say is just a massive thank you to everybody. Thank you to the Kappa Chi family, to my boys, my girls. You guys made this a lot more than just a school experience. You made this some of the most fun times I can ever remember, but so much was learned. Personally, educationally, just interpersonally, just all the stuff that's someone going to take with and just keep compounding on for the rest of my life. Friend, staff, case doctors, all of you, thank you so much, especially Dr. Megan Sumeral and Dr. Madden. You guys are the best. Thank you so much.
I forgot about you guys. I'm sorry.
one thing that someone told me a long time ago is that when people invest in you, when people teach you things, obviously say thank you because they've given you something. But the way that you can show your gratitude and appreciation the most is by building something from what you've been given. So